Ever wondered how to spot damaged or missing shingles? Understanding this can be crucial in maintaining the longevity of your home's roof. It's a skill every homeowner can benefit from learning. Stay tuned, as today, we delve into a step-by-step guide on how you can spot these issues. First things first, damaged shingles often show visible signs. You might spot curling at the edges or blistering on the surface, a clear indication that something's not right. Another sign to look out for is granule loss. If you notice bare patches where the protective granules have worn away, that's a red flag. These signs mean your shingles are losing their protective qualities, leaving your home vulnerable to the elements. Now you know what damaged shingles look like, but what if a shingle is missing altogether? Missing shingles are easier to spot, but they're just as important to address. If you notice bare spots on your roof or find shingle debris in your gutters or yard, it's likely you're missing some shingles. These vacancies can make your roof vulnerable to elements, potentially leading to leaks and other damage. It's crucial to replace missing shingles promptly to keep your home protected. By paying attention to these signs, you ensure the longevity of your roof. So now you can identify both damaged and missing shingles. What's next? Once you've identified damaged or missing shingles, it's time to take action. Reach out to a roofing professional who can assess the extent of the damage and suggest the best course of action. Whether it's a simple repair or a full replacement, don't delay. Every moment the issue is left unaddressed, the risk of further damage to your home increases. It's not just about maintaining the aesthetic appeal of your roof. It's about safeguarding the structural integrity of your home. In summary, spotting damaged or missing shingles involves looking for signs of wear, identifying bare spots on the roof, and taking action to address these issues. Now, you are equipped to keep your roof in top shape.